boys and girls, today we're going to use coins to make a dollar. Now, how many cents again makes a dollar? How much cents makes a dollar? Jason? 100. Remember that, okay? It takes 100 cents to make a dollar. Okay, 100 cents to make a dollar. All right, in the first box, draw 8 nickels. First box, draw 8 nickels. How much are nickels again? 5. 5. Count and find the total value of those coins and write the total value on this line. Make sure you have your cent sign. So go ahead and count them, boys and girls. In the second box, draw 8 dimes and then write the total value on the line. How much are dimes worth again? 10. Yes? Yes, you have to write a cent sign on the answer, on how much, or on the total. No. You have to write it with a cent sign. This is not the 2 lines, okay? Like it is on morning work. This is not the 2 lines with the dot. Just pretend like there's no dots and just write cents. If it was 55 cents, you're going to write 55 cents like this. Oh, down here? Yeah, you can do that if you want. If that helps you, do that. Nah. Unless you want to, and if it helps you to do it, that's fine. Once you have that written down as how much money that is, turn your paper over. Turn your paper over if you have the total. All right, boys and girls. $1 has the same value as 100 cents. Those are 100 pennies. Yes. Okay. A dollar sign is an S with a line through it. Okay? Or I usually put 2 lines through it, is what I was taught. But an S with a line through it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So $1, you know how on your morning work you have a line, a dot, and then another line, right? So 1.00 cents, okay? $1.00 equals the same as 100, just 100 cents, okay? You have to put what they call a decimal point to split, which is a period. A decimal point is a period. You have to put a decimal point to split the dollars and the cents, okay? Yep, to show that you have this many dollars and this much cents. If you ever have any cents. Does that make sense? Okay. The decimal point separates the dollars from the cents. Okay. All right, so today, let's read the directions to see what we are going to do on Share and Show. Draw the coins to show $1. Write the total value. Count 100 cents for $1. Okay, so they're wanting you to do it in nickels first. Okay, so nickels are how much? 5 cents. So let's do it. Are you ready? You don't want to draw these too big because you're going to have to draw a few, right? Okay, so I'm not writing 10. I'm still writing 5. Okay? 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, you only are writing 5, guys. You should have 4 right now with 4 coins. You all have 4 coins? With 5 in them? Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Guys, I'm not writing anything below them right now because we're counting out loud. So right now you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because we're at 40, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Draw another one. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Am I going too fast? You should have 14. It's 70. Okay. 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 20. Should be 20. See if you have 20. Okay, and then you put the dollar sign, and that shows that it's $1. You put no cents because we're going to use it. Once it's $1, then you have to count it as a dollar. Even though those are coins, you're counting it as a dollar, okay? All right, so what you're doing is you're going to do the same thing on quarters and dimes, but you're going to do it with quarters and dimes, okay? I'll let you do that with your partners. Let's go to on your own real quick. Okay, it says, circle the coins to make $1. Cross out the coins you do not use. Let's do number 4 together. We want to make $1. How can we do this? Okay, tell me, what do you want to use?
25.
Okay, so we want to use quarter, right? So we're going to circle right here. Quarter is 25. Another 25, so another quarter. That's how much? 2 quarters is how much? 50. So we're at 50 right now. What do we want to do again? Chase?
Quarter.
Another quarter. What is it? What is 3 quarters?
75.
75. Okay, then what do you want to do, Jaren? A nickel? You want to do a nickel?
Yeah.
Okay. A nickel, that makes it what?
80.
80. Then what do you want to do? A dime, which that makes it? 90. And then there is 2 ways you could do this, right? You could do what, Isaac? We're at 90, so we could do what? Well, how many nickels do we need to get to 100? Yeah, so you need 2 nickels. So you can either circle 2 nickels to make it $1, or you could just circle 1 dime. You choose if you are circling the 2 nickels or you're circling just the dime. And you're going to have to cross out whatever you did not use. I don't care which one you do. You choose. Are you going to do 2 nickels or 1 dime to finish it out? So once you're done circling all of them, you cross out the ones you did not use. Yep. Okay, so So you're just trying to find $1, okay? The hot problem says draw more coins to show $1. So far they have a quarter, which is 25, right? And then they also have a dime, which would be,
10.
a dime would be, yes, which would be 35, and then a nickel would be,
4.
okay, so you draw some coins to make it $1. You're already at 40. Does that make sense? You're at 40 right now. You're going to have to draw more coins to make $1. You could do more quarters. You could do more dimes. You could do more nickels. It's up to you and your partner. Got it? Yep. Okay, so then this is mid-chapter checkpoint, which means the next page is review. So that is all on your own. Number 1 and 2, you're counting to find the total value. So you're just counting these coins and then telling what the total is. Do you need a cent sign?
Yes.
Yes. Then you're using coins show the amount in 2 ways. They want you to show 31 cents 2 different ways. 2 different ways, not the same way. And then test prep. I'm guessing you're counting. Mary used these coins to buy a folder. What is the total value of these coins? So you're finding the total. So this page is on your own. The homework is on your own. You can do share and show and on your own.